Hare Krishna. I am Tanvi and I am now going to narrate a story on the topic power of holy name. As we all know that Lord Brahma was being cursed by Krishna to take birth in the Muslim family. But Krishna also said that even if Brahma is taking birth in a Muslim's family, still he will have the power to recite the holy names of Krishna in any situation. So, as per the following, Lord Brahma took birth in the Muslim's family. From birth only, he used to recite the holy names of Krishna. Because of this, when he grew up, the king once called him and said, "You are so lucky to be a Muslim, still you are praying the holy names of Hindus?" But Lord Brahma, as a human, answered that what is the difference between Allah and Krishna? Both are same. We have kept the different name. Even if we recite the holy names of Hindus or Muslims, both are same. By hearing this, the king got very angry, and then he ordered his men to go and beat this man with whip in the 22 markets. So they took him and they dragged him through the 22 markets, and at last they tied him to a tree, and then they whipped him a lot, very badly. He was really bleeding out of his body. Then at last the men said, "If you do not die, we are going to die by the king." So that is why he said that I will not allow you to die. So then he acted as he was dying. After this, the men became very happy. The people sent him through the bank of river. Then this man was floating through the river of Ganga and reached to another river bank. Then there was Advaita Acharya was sitting. He preached him and made him a good devotee. Then he made his own ashrams and started preaching. Then the people also liked him. Then these people made his name as Haridas Thakur. Once the district king got to know that this Haridas Thakur is preaching and disturbing my law, just because as I am a Muslim, Muslims religious must only continue. So that is why he went to Haridas Thakur one night. Then she banged, made noise by her bangles and did different things. But Haridas Thakur was not disturbed. The next night she again came, but still he was not disturbed. Third night she came with a dancing dress. She started dancing, but in the middle of dancing, she started dancing in the beats on what Haridas Thakur was chanting. Then she stopped dancing and started singing her own different songs. Then she stopped singing and started chanting the holy names. She was shocked that what is the power of this holy name? A lady like me, this holy name has made me a devotee. The next morning, this lady went to Haridas Thakur and laid on her feet. Haridas Thakur gave her bead bags, different clothes and a tulsi plant. By this lady was also happy and she became a devotee. Now, at last, when Haridas Thakur was going to be old, he met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very face. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was also very happy to see Haridas Thakur, and Haridas Thakur was also very happy. Slowly, Haridas Thakur left his body. Thank you.